food? That is just a baby sparrow. Yeah. Just a little guy. There you go. Says, I know what to do with it.
It's remarkable what you do. You really have them eating out of your hand.
Yeah, they. I pretty much think you can do this with any bird if you just take the time. These guys are exceptionally friendly with humans. Sparrows everywhere, all around the world. I mean, that's that's why they're considered a pest in most parts of the world. And the zebra doves. That's one of the first things you read about them. If you Google a zebra dove, is completely unafraid of humans. Yeah, it has nothing to do with me. It's whoever has the bread is their friend.
How long have you been doing this?
About 7 years. Yeah, my wife and I moved here 7 years ago. So. Hey, I opened up that line for the sparrows. Yeah, it's just a nice way to start off each day.
Where are you from originally?
Near Seattle, Washington.
Okay. Yeah. I just got in from Chicago. So,
Chicago?
Yeah.
I've been there 8 times, but I've never been there. I mean, I've been to O'Hare in and out 8 times, and that's it.